Imagine waking up one day, not with wrinkles, not with aching joints, not with the feeling that time is running out, but with the biological body of someone half your age at 80 or even 100. It might sound like science fiction, but right now, some of the world's smartest scientists and richest billionaires are building the tools to slow down, or even reverse, aging. Let's be clear. This isn't just about looking young. This is about changing the human lifespan, not just by a few years, but by decades, maybe even centuries. And the most shocking part? One of these inventions might already exist. Let's start with the tech that's making the loudest noise: cellular reprogramming. In 2012, a Japanese scientist named Shinya Yamanaka won the Nobel Prize for discovering something strange. He found 4 specific molecules, now called Yamanaka factors, that could literally reset a cell's age, not just make it healthier, actually revert it to a younger state. That's like taking a scratched old DVD and somehow restoring it to brand new condition. Now fast forward to 2025. Tech billionaires like Jeff Bezos and Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, are pouring hundreds of millions into startups like Altos Labs and Retro Biosciences, which are racing to use this technology on actual human bodies. Their goal? Stop aging at the cellular level, or maybe reverse it. And the early signs? Terrifyingly promising. In mice, scientists have already used reprogramming to restore vision, heal damaged organs, and even extend lifespan by 30% or more. Human trials are coming. But what if you want to live forever, and you don't want to wait? That's where cryonics enters the picture. Cryonics is the process of freezing your body, or just your brain, at the moment of death, in hopes that future technology will revive you later. Think of it as pressing pause on your life, until science learns how to hit play again. It sounds insane, right? But places like Alcor Life Extension Foundation and Tomorrow Bio already have hundreds of clients in cryo storage. Many of them tech founders, scientists, and ultra-wealthy people with one thing in common. They don't plan to die like the rest of us. Some are betting that AI, combined with advanced nanotechnology, will one day be able to repair dead or damaged tissue, upload memories, or even rebuild your body from scratch. Is it risky? Of course. Is it legal? Yes, in many parts of the world. Is it gaining popularity? Faster than anyone expected. But if freezing your body sounds too extreme, you might prefer gene editing, the science of rewriting your DNA. You've probably heard of CRISPR, the molecular scissors that can cut and replace genetic code. What you might not know is that scientists are already using it to reverse mutations that cause deadly diseases. And they're starting to experiment with genes related to aging itself. In 2023, researchers managed to turn off a gene in mice that caused age-related decline. The result? Their organs regenerated faster. Their hair grew back. Their energy returned. Now imagine that happening in humans. Gene therapy is still young, but the companies racing to perfect it include names backed by Silicon Valley money, private governments, and military-grade biolabs. This isn't a future 100 years from now. This is a 10-year horizon, maybe less. And let's not forget the wild card, AI-designed medicine. Using machine learning, companies can now simulate the effects of thousands of drugs in virtual human models before ever touching a real body. That means custom-made anti-aging treatments, personalized by your unique DNA, adjusted in real time, optimized by AI. Your biology becomes software. Your doctor becomes a cloud-based algorithm, and aging becomes optional. Now, if all of this sounds terrifying, you're not alone. Ethicists are worried. Religious leaders are warning. Politicians are debating. Because if we crack the code to extreme longevity, if we can live 100 years longer, it raises impossible questions. Who gets to live longer? Only the rich? What happens to overpopulation? To mental health? To memory, identity, and purpose? We've always believed death was the one thing no one could outrun. But now, the smartest minds on Earth are building the tools to challenge that idea. So the question is no longer, can we live longer? The question is, what happens if we actually do? Subscribe to Quicklet, because the future isn't coming. It's already here.